Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use AfterPay on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Cash App and go to your account by tapping the leftmost icon. This will take you to the Money tab. Scroll down until you see the More For You section. Here you'll find the new AfterPay feature marked with its logo. Tap Start to begin. AfterPay allows you to pay over time for eligible transactions without credit checks. Currently, the amount available may vary based on your Cash App usage. To use AfterPay, your transaction must meet these conditions. It must be between $25 and $50, fully processed, and within the last 30 days. Also, you must have used your Cash App card, either the physical card or the one in Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Once these requirements are met, you can switch your eligible transaction to AfterPay, splitting the charge into multiple payments. If you don't have a Cash App card, you can order a free one directly through Cash App. So that's basically how you can use AfterPay on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.